Oh, hi guys. Bruce here. Mail day! And it's my birthday. And it's July 20th, the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. So, Ken Irwin from Canada, he's a Canadian, Ontario, put this very generous box together. And in the email he said there was some stuff from his hoard. So I don't know what that means. But we're going to find out right away. I'm not going to show you his address, so we'll just cut that off right now. Hey Hannah. And everybody, this is Hannah. She's a real shy girl. And she comes and spends a day or two once in a while. So let's look. So, Ken Irwin. I hope you don't mind I use your last name, Ken. Now, this just might be... Oh, all kinds of stuff. Holy moly. Okay. I understand what he's talking about. I would imagine you can use it for anything from ladders to anything. That's pretty good. And this package says, always handy to have. What is this for? Use with berry pump or the hoses. Oh, I see. Well, we'll see what's going on there. This is fun. Oh my God. I'm sorry, oh my gosh. This is a evacuation pump. I gotta slow down, you guys. So, a lifetime supply of tie wraps. And the black ones I like to put on the lawnmowers because when they come from the store they have uncut black tie wraps, and I like to do that just for fun at the end of a job. So let's just see what's cooking with this pump. In case your Princess Auto didn't have these. Okay. Well, I tell you, I broke this one. Very, very nice. So let's just lace this stuff out. Oh, and bags of air. Let's keep going. I see. Now here's the tubing for the pump. So I'm going to have to do some homework on how this all hooks up. I think it's all pre-engineered though. Look at that. The ends are all... Oh, here's some more... Oh, I see. Side lights and stuff. LED side lights. Just fun stuff. I got it. Is that... Just let me just dump all this out. Yes, sir. Okay. Cool. I will figure all this out after. And a hand transfer pump. I imagine, oh, I see. And that's the extension. Okay. I got a hunch I can use it for fuel. Thank you, man. I didn't expect this. When you said it came from your hoard, I thought I was going to get like spark plugs or, rewinds or something. So this is very, very generous. And I'm going to figure it all out, and I will probably do a video after that. So, just a minute. So it blows out of here. You know what? I think I'm getting it. This goes in the 5-gallon pail or whatever, and this comes out. It might be for fuel or oil. I'm going to have to make sure I talk to him on the email. Well, this is one of the most interesting gifts I've gotten in a long time. Oh, ties are good outside in the cold. And I got 1 box left. He knew this was coming too. Fun inside, LOL. Oh, 12-volt flasher. I can put that on my tractor so I don't get hit. Yeah, that's exactly what I'll do. Well, that's a lot of fun. You know I'll figure this out. Well, you know what? I don't know whether to use this for gas or oil. And look at all these LED markers. Wow. That's a really interesting gift, eh? Oh, Lordy. Put these on my tractor too. But I'm most interested in this pump. Now I can talk to him. So, thank you. I really appreciate this. This is a gift that's going to keep giving, because I'm going to have a lot of fun and think of you every time I use a tie wrap, or every time I tighten a fastener with these, or every time I use this. And I'm still not sure whether it should be used for oil or for gasoline transfer, right? Gasoline transfer? Because I think he's probably been the one teasing me that I spill more gas than anybody else on YouTube. So, all is fun. Used with berry pump or the other hoses. Oh. This looks like the hose they sell at Princess Auto. Princess Auto is our Canadian store like Harbor Freight. I'm just fiddling. Thanks, Ken. Very, very, very generous. Goodbye. We'll talk again.